The welding technology program here at Mac will be teaching the 4 major welding processes, along with some of the fundamentals such as blueprint reading, technical math, and metallurgy. And there'll be a full section on fabrication where students will be able to take the things they learned and apply them to real work in the shop. There will also be an opportunity for AWS certifications. I will be given a pre-qualifier, and if the students can pass that, they will be given the opportunity for AWS certifications. AWS certification is a certification you acquire through the American Welding Society, and it's basically a structural test. There will be destructive testing. We will be bending coupons that the students are welding, and if they can pass those tests, they will be certified in those processes, which really opens the door for employment opportunities. In the Welding Technologies program, I will be teaching the fundamentals that people need to know for employment, such as the multiple different kinds of hand tools and cutting and fabrication tools that they will see when they go out into the field. Other welding programs in the area are typically not associated with the American Welding Society as where we will be. We're currently in the process of becoming an accredited testing facility. Currently there's only 3 in the state. We'll be the 4th, which that alone will set us aside from other welding schools. I have about 20 years experience as a union millwright. I traveled all over the country, Midwest and Mid-South mainly, in a wide variety of industrial settings. I'll be able to take that experience and that knowledge and translate that into the students to prepare them for the workplace.